Okay, good morning. I hope you can see that all right. It seems a bit blurry, doesn't it? Is that any better? Anyway, we're going to change the wiper blades on my Fiat Ducato van. I think it's the same for the Peugeot and something else. They're not very good. They've seen better days. I've cleaned them, but they're still making a right mess of the screen. So we're going to take them out and change them. So there's a button here. You press that down and you just pull forward. And be careful, do not let this go, because I've done this before and someone was doing it in a garage and they let it go and it just smashed the windscreen. So let's do the same the other side. So driver and passenger are different sizes, okay? Let's see if we can get you into that one. Okay, there we go. So exactly the same principle. Press the button, pull forward. And then in there you should have exactly the same sort of thing. Or very similar. Look at that, seen better days that has. And they get worn and knackered, and you can clean them, but it's not even clearing the screen properly. So time for a change. All right, let's go and have a look. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. So we've got to open the packet up and find something hopefully the same. Like I said, it's been a bit worn, that. So that's what we're looking for. All right, so this is the smaller one of the two. Because there's two different sizes, and then we open this little packet up here and all these should slide out. So we have, there we go, that one looks like it to me, and that one. Let's have a look. I've just found number 4 stuck down the bottom of the packet, so you want to be careful. Even though I shook it, it still didn't come out, and I was thinking, what is that? And I just pulled it apart, and that's the one we're looking for. That's the one. Okay, so all we do is just clip it back on. You've got an arrow it's facing. No, it just says number. Oh, it just says number 4. That's it. So it's number 4. So you just got to slide him over the top, and that is that simple. Okay, let's do the other one. So this is the small one. Put that to one side. All right. Let's get the big one out. Oh, by the way, I bought these from a manufacturer, a factor, a car place that actually sells small car parts and whatnot, which I thought would be cheaper. No. Go on eBay. These are Bosch, by the way, if anybody's interested. These are Bosch parts. These are Bosch Aero Twin. You can see that. There we go. For the Fiat Ducato. I'll pan out in a bit and you can see for yourself. So this is the large one. So once again, it says an arrow forward, so I presume it's facing forward. So where are we? This is it. That's the one. So all we do is just gently push him on, and he fits beautifully. And all we have to do now is nip outside and put these back on again. Let's go. Okay, so let's recap. These are not the right ones. Even though we took these off, they are definitely not the right ones. That's why they were fitting bloody rubbish and they weren't working properly. Someone did a bodge. So I'll show you. Let's go back inside and I'll show you. So these are the ones which were on it, okay, and this is the ones I've replaced with. All right, you're thinking, yeah, that's right, that's right. Oh, bloody well isn't. It won't fit properly. They must have jammed it on because one side was sticking out. Did you notice how they were bad fitting? That's why. All right, hold on. So we've got to get this one off. Oh, we're outside. We're already filming. Sorry. So push him down, line him up, bear with me. Oh, 2 seconds. Very hard to practice that one. That is, now look at the difference, look how tight that is. So what you have to do, you have to push the button up, lever this in. So let me do the other one, I'll show you. Okay, look at the difference. I tell you what, sometimes you just think to yourself, who the hell actually fits these in garages, because they're bloody crap. Okay, so putting the new ones on. All right, this is the proper one, not the bloody hell people sometimes. So if you look at this, if you look underneath here, you see that little nobule sticking out there, that little nipple. Okay, it won't go that side. It can only go this side because of the size of the hole. So you've got to put this on that way round. Okay, so with that nipple, it's going to fit in here. All right. Now, take a little bit of squeezing, but you know, it's in. It's that easy. Okay, let's move over to the next one. What? Sometimes it does make you wonder, doesn't it? So that goes in like that. All right. Then you have to push this down at the same time and squeeze together like so, and then there's 2 slots either side of that. Well, yeah, sorry, there's 2 slots here. So once they line up, push them in, and there we go. Look at that. Look at the difference. Remember the other one we took out and it was hanging off? Sometimes, just sometimes. Anyway, there you go. How to fit 2 brand new wiper blades on a Fiat Ducato, even when they got the wrong connection. This is the right connection, so you got to look for this. For mine, so if you look at them, and these are the Bosch ones, you got the little, well, that makes a difference. Just whatever you take off. Well, no, because I took them off, it was the wrong ones. So this model, this type. Okay. All the best. Take care. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be appreciated. And take care, and we'll see you in the next one. If you're interested, there you go. Bosch Aero Twin AP22U. That's on my registration, so just check on your registration, which it is, and make sure it's not that one, which we took off. This is the one. Look at the one. Look at it. That's on the original. And it doesn't fit. It's bloody useless. It was all over the shop. So the one you want is the one we've put on, which is the nice square one. All the rest are rubbish. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you in the next one.